Hey everyone, this is Cindy, and today I am giving you your tech tip for the Keller Teller. So we have in the past been putting the profit share reports in your mailbox, and frankly we've been wasting a lot of paper. So for those of you that like to save the trees, you're going to like this. So we're not going to be putting the profit share reports in your mailbox anymore because you can actually find those reports right here on your KW account. So it's really simple to get to. All you have to do is go to kw.onelogin.com and log in with your information. And I do not have access to your passwords. I can find your username, but not your password. You'll have to call KW support for that. You're going to click on KW Intranet, and you're going to pull up the main screen. Next to your photo, you're going to see your profile, and you're going to see reports. So you're going to click on reports. And what you'll see is this little spinny wheel, and it makes it look like you're just going to be waiting and waiting and waiting. The weird thing is it actually does work. So under reports, just hover over reports, go down to profit share and growth share, and that gives you a drop-down menu. So you slide over and you come down to profit share, and you simply click on profit share and you'll be able to see your profit share report. So there you have it. There's your tech tip for the week.